in front of you Noor the Pharmacist. Actually, my YouTube channel name is Noor the Pharmacist, and my main objective is to bring awareness of the job opportunities of pharmacists as much as possible to the number of pharmacists or a pharmacist community as a whole. Our friends, the topic I'm going to discuss with you is basically the job of pharmacist in cosmeceutical companies. The same topic I have discussed in Urdu language, but I have received number of emails and a number of comments from my viewers who has actually requested that the same topic should be discussed in English so that they can understand. Well, friends, so in today's video, we will be discussing the topic job of pharmacists in cosmeceutical companies, job description of a pharmacist in cosmeceutical companies. Then we will be discussing the requirement or eligibility criteria for the job, and second and finally how to get the job. And besides telling you how to get the job of our in cosmeceutical companies, I will also name some of the cosmeceutical companies so that you should have an idea of that which companies are available in the market and where you can get the job. Friends, I'm damn sure that the cosmeceutical must not be a new term for you, a new word for you. Cosmeceutical basically means all the skincare companies or dermatological products marketing companies are all categorized under cosmeceutical companies. The benefit of job of cosmeceutical companies is far better than the benefits of pharmaceutical companies or these other medical companies where you are getting the job of basically medical representative. Let's talk about what kind of a job you can get in this cosmeceutical companies. See, it is almost same to that of medical representative or a sales representative. However, the segment of their working is very less or very few. Like they are visiting only dermatologist, skincare doctor. They are visiting pharmacist in the pharmacies. They are visiting the beauty advisors where there are sometimes there are special outlet of skincare product. They are visiting some big spas where that different cosmetics products are being used. They are visiting in big beauty parlors where the beauty advisors are there and they are using the cosmeceutical products. So their job is somewhat similar to that of medical representative, that they are going to these people. They are discussing the product. They are discussing the benefits of product or other competitors available in the market. So this is what the job description of a sales rep or a medical rep, or let's say a sales rep of cosmeceutical product. Remember what I have observed in my personal practical observation, that people working in these companies, in these companies or in these sectors is mostly non-pharmacists, but basically this is the sector for a pharmacist. Remember, when a pharmacist goes to these sectors, segments like doctors, dermatology, pharmacists, and they are discussing the product. So it has far greater impact than a non-pharmacist discussing with these, people the benefits of the products, and which is why companies prefer that their representative should be a pharmacist. So this was all about the job description. Now let's discuss about the requirement. The requirement for this job is that you should be a pharmacist, you should be having a good communication skills, better if you have selling skills, better if you have previous exposure of the same job. I said better, not necessarily. If you do not have, but you are able to convince your employer in the interview that you do have all the capabilities of a good salesperson, they will hire you. So basically, these are the skills required. Personality matters. Whenever you're going to the interview, you make your personality as if that your first impression should be very good, because it says that first impression is the last impression. So this is all about the criteria or eligibility, criteria for a job of cosmeceuticals representative. Friends, then the main question is how to get the job, because the exposure of job search to the pharmacist, especially fresh pharmacist, is very very less. And you know that there are very less chances that there are no any seminars where these fresh pharmacists can be guided that there is a job of a cosmeceutical in cosmeceutical companies. So better you can only Google. You can see in number of my videos I have already discussed that there are different websites: Naukri.com, Indeed.com, Monster.com, Dubizzle.com, and some other company, some other websites available. You just go there, register yourself, give your official email ID, and specify that what kind of a job you are searching. You upload your CV, and you will get the job. Apart from that, if you Google all the cosmeceutical or skincare companies, you can write that the skincare companies available in available. You will get the list. You go to the individual company website, and there you can register your complete. You can register yourself and upload your CV, and hopefully you will get call from them. Remember that pharmacists might have something at the back of mind that whenever they are going abroad for any kind of a job, they might need the to pass any kind of exam. No, there is no such criteria. You do not need to pass any kind of exam, but you have to impress your employer. Apart from this, I'm going to tell you some of the name of the companies where you can search, and you will get the idea what kind of cosmeceutical companies available in the market. The first and the most important, that is Maxon company available, then Vichy, then Bioderma, and many more. One thing more which is very much important, and I just skipped to tell you. Remember, these parents companies are not working in all the international market. Then how these products are being marketed? Basically, some big distributors, some big medical stores, some franchiser, they purchase these products from the parent company, and then they are marketing into the local market. So which is why you can also approach these big distributors, and let me tell you that they are giving very good benefits, very good compensation. The salary packages, you will be surprised once you are getting the job in these companies, and you will be happy as well. Career growth, very good career growth. If you are capable, if you can deliver, you will get the good opportunities. So friends, this was all about the job of a pharmacist in cosmeceutical companies. Inshallah, in my next coming video I'm going to discuss some other jobs available for pharmacists. And until my next video, take very much care of yourself. And thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks a lot.